this little gizmo for the chainsaw. The idea is really that you take it out to the woods and use it in the woods so that you end up with some timber that you can actually carry. So chainsaw's meant to go in there, and I understand from watching on YouTube that the big plus of this one is that the chainsaw can move about, but the way it's arrived, it's absolutely not solid. So if I hadn't watched anything on YouTube, I wouldn't have a clue about that. Just undo it a little bit, that should do it. So you've got a lock nut and another nut. There's a spanner in here and the toolkit you get with it. Lewis Bog. It's got 17. So I want to lock that up. Right, move a little bit. So just as well I watched YouTube, because otherwise I wouldn't have a clue about that. And the saw, I've got to have a cable on it, so this isn't going to the woods. But I can get the hang of it here, and then once I'm happy with it, I can take the other chainsaw to the woods. That's come loose again. So the idea is put that in there. Yeah. Just put it on a flat, yeah. That one clean. You're going to have to raise it up a little bit and hold it up while you clamp it. And there's some Allen bolts on that side. I wonder if I should have it so that the chainsaw's more over the wood. That's better, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, you're going to have to hold it up a bit and clamp these Allen bolts down. Right, so I've got a log here, a twiglet that I just fetched from the woods. It's a bit wet and I want to get the bark off before I start, so that'll do for now, and I'll let people know how I get on.